Okay, something different today. Okay, let's see. Gotta do something different.
What are we doing?
Here in my garage. What are we doing? I'm in my garage, and today I know you guys are here for the automotive, fixing cars, learn something about cars. The homie Hector fixes cars. I actually went to Home Depot, and I should have recorded that for you guys because I got myself a miter saw and a circular saw. Today what's going on is I'm fixing a closet. I took an old closet out and I'm putting a new one in. So this is what we're working with here today. There was a closet here that was actually facing this way. So you would come from here and open the doors on this side. But we took it out, and then what we ended up with was this whole empty space here. I don't know if you guys can imagine it, but without this closet here, you will be able to see the other side of this, which is the living room and part of the kitchen. Now from this side it's not a big deal, but if you're looking backwards, then you would see the restroom, and that's just not ideal. So we built up another closet, and now we have to patch the floor where we broke a lot of the tile off. So I got the in-law here, he's measuring. We're gonna stick this floor. We got this floor from Home Depot or Lowe's? Baby, did we get it at Home Depot or Lowe's?
Okay.
The tile. Home Depot. So we got the tile at Home Depot. We're gonna go back to Home Depot right now, get 2 more pieces of tile. Then we can mix up the blend, set the floor down, and let it sit for 1 whole day. We gotta let it sit for 24 hours before anybody can step on it. Then we can do the grout, do the base molding, and finish up the closet. So let's go to Home Depot. Hey, I need to get some remotes for this car. I'll probably order them on Amazon and then do a video on how to program them for the SS. Home Depot. Let's go see what's inside. Alright, there you go, guys. You can see this tile, this one, that one, and another one's inside the closet. Those are the tiles that are all test fitted right now. They're not stuck to the floor. We still gotta mix up the VersaBond and stick these down. They're still movable. Once we set those down, you won't be able to step on any of these tiles for 24 hours until we let that dry, and then we can go ahead and grout it, which is throw all that stuff in between the cracks. So right now we're gonna go mix up the VersaBond.
No, where the packs are on the cement.
And lay it down. Alright, so we got the mix ready to go. It's supposed to look kind of like this, something like peanut butter, and it's ready to be laid down. So we're gonna start from the inside of the closet, work our way out, and then we'll let it sit. We just gotta make all our adjustments around the grout lines, make sure that it's pretty even all around, so that we have an even grout line and it looks good when we're complete with this. So we're gonna start spreading some mud. Eso es lo que me dijiste. Ya no nos pegamos. So basically what you want to have is these like cornrows. So when you set the tile down, it spreads out evenly. And then the whole tile sticks to the floor. This way when you step on it, it won't crack. There's no air pockets and everything looks nice and level. So we're gonna set it down and then we're gonna show you how it looks when it's done. Alright, so all the tiles set down. Now we just need to let the mixture dry up. And I put a perimeter of tape because I got kids here that are gonna be running around. Hopefully they know what the tape is for and they don't walk around it. Sorry, they don't walk inside of it and they walk around it. If not, they're gonna screw it up. But we'll let this dry and then tomorrow we'll go ahead and grout everything. Then we can finish up the base molding, finish up the closet, do some shelving like we're supposed to. Might even put an electrical switch here so that we can put a light up there, kind of like I did with this one here. There's a light switch here and it lights up the closet in there. So that's it. A lot of you guys are probably wondering, like, Homie Hector, why are you showing us shit around your house when we're here for the automotive, the how-to videos, the repair videos, the diagnostics, the tools? The thing is, this is the thing. In order for me to bring you guys good automotive videos, I feel like I have to have my own shop. I can't just pull out my camera or pull out my phone when I'm at work and then have people over me, you know, like talking shit about get to work, do this, we need this car now, you know, shit like that. People that bring you good diagnostic videos, good how-to videos, they either own their own business or they own their own shop. In order for me to do that, I have to get a lot of side work here at home, and right now it's just not happening. Right now I've been focusing on fixing my house up. I got a family. For those of you that don't know, I got 4 kids. I'm married and I'm always busy. So what I'm gonna bring you guys is a little bit more of what I do on a day-to-day basis. I'm always busy. I'm always doing something at the house, or I'm out and about with my kids and my girl. And today I had to finish up this closet. That's why I did it. Honestly, since I got the house, I've been working on the house. I lay down, well, not me personally, but this whole driveway is new to my house. The lawn is new to my house. That front fence, that cinder block fence, is new to the house. This little garden on the side of the house is new. I'm not done with it. I still gotta put the caps on top of this this whole chingadera. And I feel like when it comes to having your own house, there's a lot of work that can be done, that needs to be done. And honestly, I got a long way to go. I got my house at the beginning of 2014, end of 2013, beginning of 2014, and I've been doing a lot of work. I'll see if I can post some pictures here or some videos. I didn't record a lot, but I took a lot of pictures of how the house was before. So a lot of you guys, either you guys are do-it-yourselfers with cars or do-it-yourselfers with the house. I'm a weekend warrior with my house. Whenever I have time, I try to do something to the house. I'm doing the closet. I still got to do the ceiling because I took the popcorn off. Still got to finish the caps here. Still got to finish the front fence, the cinder block fence. I got the backyard to do. I want to do a patio. I want to do some pavers on the back. There's a lot of work to be done. Now, when I do have automotive videos, I'll bring you guys automotive videos. But as for now, I think I'm just going to work with my house and what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. So for those of you that want to stick around, I welcome you. And for those of you that don't, well, it is what it is. But this is the Homie Hector's channel. And I got another project that I'm working on behind the scenes. It's a little, I'm not going to say anything, but I'll just bring it to you guys as it goes. And I think that's it for this video. Right now we just got a barbecue that we got going on. As you guys can see, the little girl's ready to throw some chicken on there. And yeah. So for those of you that want to keep up with me when I'm not here on YouTube, I'll link my Instagram here. I'll see if I can put it on the screen. You guys can follow me on Instagram. It's the same thing. It's the homie Hector on YouTube. It's the homie Hector on Instagram. It's Hector on Facebook, but Facebook is more. It's more than anything is family. But you guys want to keep up with me? I say go to Instagram. That's where I'm at when I'm not on YouTube. And I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.